Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to fold Kia Optima back seat, only way. Pull the release tab near the trunk, then push the seat back forward while guiding the cushion down. I'll walk you through each motion slowly so you can follow along without rushing. This method keeps the latch protected and prevents seat belt tangles. By the end, you'll fold the seat confidently and store larger items with ease. Start by opening the trunk and locating the release strap or tab on the seat back. Pull the strap firmly until you feel the latch release, then reach inside to guide the seat forward evenly. Keep one hand on the cushion to control the descent and prevent pinching. Check that headrests and seat belts are clear so the seat folds flat. This straightforward approach minimizes effort and protects your interior. Always clear the seats and floor first to prevent jams or damage when folding. Lower or remove headrests if you need a flatter cargo area, and stow loose items so they won't shift. After folding, lift the seat back into place to ensure the latch re-engages properly and that the seat is secure. These small checks keep you safe and help maintain the mechanism for long-term use.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.